students, I am Manoj Kumar Upadhyay. I am going to discuss about integer belongs to class 7th children. Before starting this, I am giving a link in that you will get your page of homework and it will be available only for 7 days. In 7 days, you have to note these all questions and you have to do all questions in homework copy. And if you will get any problem, then you have to contact on 9897070017, and on that phone number I will solve your problem. Children, now I am going to discuss about the link. Children, the link is http colon double slash tinyurl.com/mku dash class 7 dash chapter 1 dash exercise means ex1 dash 1. In that you will get all the questions, and the video you will get on YouTube, that is Green Gate Mathematics. Children, now I am going to discuss about the definition of an integer. Children, what is integer? Integer is a whole number. It may be positive, it may be negative, or what? It may be zero also. Children, once again I am repeating, it may be positive, it may be negative, or it may be zero. Children, here positive integers. Suppose this one is 3, 5, 9, 57. These all are positive integers. Children, we are going to discuss about the negative integers. Children, -3, -5, -45. These all are negative integers. If we will discuss about the number line, children, look at the whiteboard and try to understand. Children, here is available 0. Understand? And now this one is my right hand. Okay, and in right hand it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Same condition here, children. Left hand side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Children, between that what is this? This one is 0. So children, either it will be positive, it will be negative, or 0. These are the integers. Children, these are the positive integers and these are the negative integers, and combination of these all, this is what? This is integers. Children, now we are going to discuss some questions. Children, these all questions are available in your homework which is given in this link also. Children, now children, first question, what is this? 15 plus -8. Children, 15 plus -8. How we will solve this? Children, 15 plus -8. Children, what we are observing here? Children, first digit is positive integer and second digit is negative integer. What is the rule? Children, if one digit is positive and another one is negative, in that situation, children, we have to find out the difference. We have to find out the difference, means subtract greater to smaller. If we will find the difference, 15 minus 8, it will be 7. Now it's the bigger question that which sign we will put here. It's most important part of the solution of integer. Children, this one is 15, this one is 8. Which one is greater? Definitely 15 is greater. What is the sign? Here there is no sign given. No sign given means positive. Understand? So what will be here? It will be positive. Or if you will not put any sign, that is also positive. So the result is 7. Children, if we will discuss about the second one, it is very common from class first we are discussing. Both are positive, but it is common thing. So we have no problem to understand. Both are positive, no problem. Add both. Understand? Add both and don't put any sign or positive sign. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2. 18 is positive. 2 is positive. Both are positive. So the answer will be also in positive, or there is no need to put any sign. Its answer will be 20. Next one, just like positive. Now here children, both the integers are negative. First one is, we are discussing about this question, okay. First one is negative 7 and second one is negative 23. And between that it is plus sign, children. Both are negative. What is the rule? If both the digits are negative integers, then add them. Means both the digits we have to add. Children, 23 plus 7, what? 30. Now we will discuss about its sign, children. What is the sign? Here is also negative, here is also negative. So negative sign will occur. Understand? These 3 questions we have to solve in this way, children. Children, now the next question. Find the sum of 153 and minus 302. Children, the previous question, the sign was previously given. What you have to do? But here, children, one is positive, another one is negative. But how we will write? Look at the board and try to understand, children. Solution of first one. Children, 153. We have to do sum. So this one is the symbol of sum, and then we have to add with what? 302. Basic concept we have to understand, children. If one is positive, another one is negative, then we have to find out the difference. Children, look at the board. This one is the difference of both. Means this one is 149. Children, now we will discuss about its sign. It will come positive or negative. But what is the rule? Children, which integer is greater? That sign we have to keep here. Here, children, 153 and 302. 302 is greater as per its value only, not negative, positive. Okay, this one is greater. So what? This one is negative. So the value will come in negative sign. Now this one is its answer. Children, if we will discuss the second one. Children, this one minus 2035, and we have to do sum. So plus sign, and in bracket we will put 297. Children, both are. Now one is negative, another one is positive. Same method we have to follow. We will subtract, then we will get 1738. Children, this one is 1738 and greater one is negative. So we have to put negative sign. Children, the next question means question number 3. Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878, means positive 878 from minus 34. Children, first we will write that how we will arrange this one. From minus 34, we have to write from first. So children, minus 34, then what we have to do? We have to do subtract. So negative sign, and we have to add this. So we have to keep both in this bracket, curly bracket. Children, this one is minus 1032 plus 878. Close it. Now we have to solve this equation. Children, minus 34 minus, in curly bracket we have to solve. So what is the difference of both? This is 154 and it will be negative because this one is negative sign. Negative signs, the digit is greater, so it will be negative. Understand? So children, now both are negative, but here is negative sign. So what? Negative into negative, it will be positive. Positive 154 and this one is 34. Children, now 154, one is positive, one is negative. We have to find out the difference. Children, 0, 120, 120. What will be the sign? Positive sign. So there is no need to put any sign because here the positive sign is not required to put. Okay? Children, the next question is, the sum of two integers is negative 16. If one of them is 53, find the other. Children, the sum of two integers, suppose first one is A and second one is B, and their sum is negative 16. Children, if one of them is 53, any one is 53, suppose B is 53, we have to find out the value of A. Children, A equal to negative 16, and when we will transfer the side from LHS to RHS, plus 53 will become negative 53. So the value of A will be negative 6 and 3, 9, and 5 and 1, 6. The answer is minus 69. Children, first we will test this one. The sum of two integers is negative 16. Means 69, A is 69 and B is plus 53. But this one is negative. Understand? So what we have to do? We have to subtract. Children, we have to find the difference 69 and 53. Children, 9 and 3, it will be 6, and this one is 1 and negative sign. Hence proved that the sum of two integers is negative 16. Children, if we will discuss about the next question, means question number 5, its solution. Children, what is this? A equal to 8, B equal to 7, negative 7, and C equal to 6. We have to verify A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. We have to prove or we have to verify. Children, A plus B means 8 plus negative 7 plus 6. And what we have to take? Both in bracket, and another side A means 8 plus B means minus 7 and plus 6. And now we have to verify LHS equal to RHS. Children, according to our question, first we have to find out the brackets work, curly brackets work, and it will be 8 minus 7, 1, but 8 is greater, so its value is 1, plus 6 equal to 8, and here it will be 1 but negative. Understand? So it will be 7, and this one is also 7. Now LHS equal to RHS. hence verified. Okay, children? Children, now it's the term of homework. Children, question number 1 to 16, all questions you have to do, and that page was assigned before starting this video, or you can get these all questions on this link also. From there you can download these questions, all 16 questions, and these all questions you have to do in your homework copy. Children, I have explained 5 questions randomly, not all questions. If you will get any problem in any question, you can consult on this number also. Then once again I will explain those questions and clear your doubt. For exercise 1.1, this is enough. Next day or next video, we will discuss exercise 1.2.